We're going down, down, the market is down. But Altcoin Daily team, we're going down swinging. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Altcoin Daily, where we drop a video about cryptocurrency every single day. My name's Austin, and if you guys haven't already, just be sure to subscribe to the channel, as you do not want to miss our daily videos. Team, let's just right off the bat address the elephant in the room. I was a little pitchy in our opening intro song. Kidding. Obviously, the market has lost tens of billions of dollars in less than 24 hours. Bitcoin is down over 7%, at least at the time of recording, and we're seeing a lot of market manipulation. At the very end of this video, I do want to go over some of the possible reasons why, so stay tuned for that. But if you subscribe to this channel, or you just watch the markets for the last several months, you already know that the sky is not falling. You know, cryptocurrency is here to stay. But like I said, we'll be going over some of the reasons why we might be seeing this pretty significant dip. So stay tuned for that. In general today, I just want to go over some cryptocurrency Monday news. So the most relevant information that's happening in the market today. I know a lot of you guys subscribe to this channel because you want to stay knowledgeable in the market. Well, if you guys like cryptocurrency news, then you're definitely going to like this video. Let's just get right into it. Coinbase acquires Keystone to become a regulated broker-dealer. Coinbase, obviously probably the exchange that we all bought our first Bitcoin off of, has already said that they're going to be adding more altcoins this summer / the end of 2018. Coinbase right now only offers 4 coins, and while they have said that they will be adding more altcoins, they've made it very clear they're doing everything in the power to stay legal with the SEC regulations. So Coinbase is working hard to achieve regulatory compliance as the crypto space strives for mass adoption. Keystone Capital is obviously central to its bid to become a fully SEC regulated broker-dealer. So what is Keystone Capital? How does this affect Coinbase? Check this out. Keystone Capital is a broker-dealer that trades digital securities. So using this clout, Coinbase now has, with this acquisition, Coinbase can offer more blockchain-level securities than simple cryptocurrencies. Check this out, team, this quote from Coinbase. In the United States, some of these tokens will be subject to SEC oversight, and with this in mind, securing these licenses will bring us a step closer to our goal, which is to become the most trusted way for our customers to buy, sell, and trade crypto. So what is Coinbase getting with this acquisition? It's getting licenses. The acquisition spree from Coinbase basically allows it to think big. The main thing that Coinbase gets from the deal, licenses that let it register with the government to offer its customers even more financial services. This means possibly more altcoins as well. And they've actually already announced that more altcoins will be coming. So basically Coinbase is getting all their ducks in a row. Which is great, because Coinbase is always been the more cautious exchange, the most cautious, but they have to stay relevant. If Coinbase does not change with the growing industry, they will fall behind. So it's good to see Coinbase getting their ducks in a row. Let's keep going, team. What altcoins do you think Coinbase will add? Seriously, let me know in the comments which coins you want to be added on Coinbase. I would love to know your thoughts. Next piece of news. Top cryptocurrency exchange Huobi announces new platform in the US. Do any of you guys use Huobi? Well, it's the world's 3rd largest crypto exchange by trade volume, and Huobi recently announced about creating a new digital currency trading marketplace in the good old USA. And this platform comes via a newly created company which is called hbus. So this is a little interesting, team. Check this out. hbus is not an arm, not a subsidiary, not a division, or not in any way an affiliate of Huobi. Nor is hbus to be referred to as Huobi US or any variant thereof. HBus is the exclusive US strategic partner of Huobi, as stated in the official announcement. This is funny to me because Huobi is the one announcing that it is going to be creating this new digital marketplace, but they don't want any type of affiliation with their, current company. Huobi, I think we all know, is founded in China, and again, one of the top exchanges. But when they make this US arm, or whatever they want to call it, I guess, strategic partner, they don't want to be affiliated with China. I wonder why. Maybe they don't want maybe they want the US thinking that they're strictly US of A. I don't know. As more information comes out about that, I'll definitely let you guys know. But for HBus, the soft launch or pre-registration of the platform, the sign-up period for that is June 10th through June 14th. Whoa, and yesterday was the 10th. So if you guys want to sign up for that, definitely do it. I might do that. And it was announced to be a month of trading with no fees on this soft launch. And the official trading is set to happen on the 15th. So guys, get on that. Let me know if you do that. Let me know in the comments. That's Huobi. And then last bit of cryptocurrency news, is Bitcoin futures price manipulating the market? So let's get into it. Why are we seeing the sea of red? And the truth is, team, there could be a lot of reasons. Anybody that says that they know exactly the reason why, doesn't. But it could be Bitcoin futures. And if you guys want to know Bitcoin futures versus Bitcoin price, check out this video. I did a sort of a video explaining the difference. But let's just check out this article from 9 hours ago. Bitcoin futures price manipulation investigation opens in the US. So the United States Commodity and Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has begun an investigation into possible price manipulation on the Bitcoin futures market. Data from 4 major exchanges has been requested by regulators to see if there's any truth in the claims of distortion or malpractice. So, which exchanges were asked for this information? Let's keep going. CME Group, one of the leading firms offering Bitcoin futures contracts, began offering these futures in December of last year. After the first contracts were settled in January, CME requested comprehensive trading data from the 4 exchanges whose price is used to decide the terms of the futures contracts. So the 4 exchanges were Coinbase, Kraken, Itbit, and Bitstamp. So are futures to blame for this sea of red, this market manipulation? Well, price manipulation in the Bitcoin futures market emerged as one of the main concerns in the run-up to their release. Clearly, this fear has not abated. Manipulation strategies include spoofing. What is one of these strategies they use to manipulate? Well, it is a practice which entails institutional investors buying huge amounts of crypto. I'm not going to read this whole thing, but basically they're talking about pump and dump. Are pump and dumps happening by this big institutional money? And let me just answer that question right off the bat. Obviously, it is no question in my mind these big whales are manipulating the market. But let's put this into perspective. What if these guys get convicted for market manipulation? What if they're found guilty? What's going to happen? Probably, honestly, nothing. Probably they'll be given a fine, which doesn't even come close to the amount of money they made through this manipulation, and they'll just be more careful in the future. So even if they're found guilty, in my opinion, nothing will come of it. Again, I'm no financial expert, so this is not financial advice, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. And just last thing to put this market manipulation in perspective in terms of why we're seeing such massive amounts of money leave the market, just check this out. Back in 2016, a lot of people might have thought they were seeing a bull run in June, mid-June, June 15th, and then when the market lost all these billions of dollars, was that the end of cryptocurrency? No. Life went on. In 2015, let's check this out. A lot of people probably thought at the end of the year, holy hell, we're seeing that end of the year bull run starting in November. The price went up by billions of dollars and then dropped back down and of course went up again. So we're not going to spend all day on this, but just know the price will go up. If you guys, I saw on Reddit, some people consider this a flash sale. I bet some of you guys are already buying some Ethereum. I see right here. All right, again, let me know in the comments which coins you think will be added to Coinbase, and if you have any legit articles in terms of, actual reasons those coins will be added, let me know. Oh yeah, and one last thing, just something interesting I found. This is how much money are cryptocurrency exchanges making? How much are the exchanges making? Check this out. The top 3 are Binance, Upbit, Huobi, and then 4 is Bittrex. Binance is making $3.4 million of revenue per day. Per day, they're making that many millions of dollars. So I have nothing to say about this other than the fact that who's going to make the money in the end? Will it be you? Will it be me? Will it be the whales? Well, if we're thinking about the gold rush that happened in the United States back in the, hundreds of years ago, the people that were really making the money were the people that sold the pickaxes in the gold rush, the California gold rush. So, just a reminder out there, you don't have to just make money by investing. Start a YouTube channel, learn how to get involved in an exchange. Plenty of ways, guys. All right, team, happy Monday. My name's Austin, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.